Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we have another unboxing, and today we're going to unbox a watch from Ciga design. Now this is a watch from their X series, I believe, lineup it's called. I think I went for the orange one. I'm not 100% sure. This is my second Ciga design, and this is the first one that I do on the channel. I had one before, but I'm not entirely sure if I feature one on the channel. I'll have a look and I'll link it to the description box below. But I've always liked Ciga design. They have interesting, funky looking watches, to say the least. And they always make for a nice feeling unboxing, because they always pack their watches in this kind of nice, unique way. Now, I'm gonna get into this box, enough waffle, and see what this watch is about, because they're always cool and they always win. From experience, I remember seeing them winning a lot of awards. Anyway, I'll put links in the description box to their website if you want to check them out and see all their other lineups, because they definitely have some unique looking models. So as you can see here, we have a flat box. No, I'm going to put this away before I hurt myself, because that box, one of these days, that's going to happen. So right off the bat, Ciga design, put that away, and that's nicely packed, sits nicely in there. It's very nice, see, like the box is flat. Ooh, that's heavy. I like this. This feels very, very cool, by the way. Ooh, that is sealed. Now, that is interesting. This is the first, I don't think I've ever seen a watch brand do this. I think this retails for around 376 euros. I'm not 100% sure. Once again, I'll put links into the description box below to their website, to their Amazon store as well, for you guys to check it out. Also, I should mention that this watch was sent in to me by Ciga Design for free for the purpose of this unboxing / future review. Also, subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss that. And I get to keep it. I don't have to return it. So bear that in mind as the video goes along. Now, I have to say, this is super, super cool, by the way. I don't think you can see the texture, but this is like this super nice texture, which is, I think, the dial of the watch here. I love the writing that stands out. So far, this is a very, very pleasant experience. So I'm going to put that away. And this is very heavy, by the way, guys. I should mention that. I don't know why people don't film these things more often. So, am I unpacking this the wrong way? No, I'm not. So this shows this is the operation manual. Step 1, winding the watch, setting the time, and adding the straps. This is so cool. Oh, this is so nice. With the tenacious features, Ciga design. So these are all the awards that they won over the years, 2013, 2014. It's an interesting looking watch. It's not for everybody, I have to say, but once you get to see it and once you get to feel it, and once you get your hands on one, I'm telling you, like this feels so. So this is the watch. It's not a small watch, but like, I think this is titanium, by the way. I'll list the specs down below. This is so cool. Is that a gorilla? I don't think you can see this, guys. That is so cool. It has a nice weight to it. Once again, I think it's titanium. I don't have the specs. The full list of specs will be listed down below, and also it'll come into the full review. So I'll just put this one away. So I'll just put the straps away. Let's get the box out of the way as well. So you get this nylon strap. So it's like a two-piece NATO, let's say. You can call it a NATO. And we have this rubber strap. Out of the two, I think this style suits it better. Now, let's put this away. This is such a cool looking watch. Again, it's not for everybody, but once you get to feel it and get to see it in your hand, it's like it's so well machined and so interesting. Let's just peel this sticker off. So we have 2 stickers. This makes for such a, I think everybody should pack their watches this way. Honest to God. I think this is a sapphire sandwich as well. So sapphire on the back, sapphire on the front as well. I should probably see if it ticks first before putting this on, but I don't care. Ciga design on the strap. Why am I not getting this right? All right, let me just... So by the way, today I'm wearing my Hamilton khaki field automatic. Haven't reviewed this watch. This is going to be soon. That's my own watch. Okay. Yeah, it ticks. It lives. You could hear the wind. This texture on the screw. This is not a screwdriver. It's just a push-pull crown. But you have the skeletonized, not texture, the skeletonized design, and you can see everything moving. The hands, Ciga design here at the 3 o'clock position. Now, it's not the most legible, but I don't think whoever buys this buys it for legibility. Like, I'm not gonna lie. Air coating on that sapphire crystal. Like, it's such an interesting looking watch. Let's put this on wrist and see how it looks like. There you have it, guys. Again, I feel like I'm from the future. It's definitely interesting. It's a unique looking piece, like I said before. I can still tell the time. You could still, there's still a separation. It's still, the hands are still very visible, depending on how the light hits it, but you can still see the hands. So 9:15, very easy to read right now. But yeah. This is a very interesting looking piece. Now let me put these away. I don't know why I didn't get any more on the channel so far. Also, the second strap. This is also interesting, but I don't think it suits the watch. Very interesting looking hardware. I'm not sure if that's titanium. I was told that this is titanium. I'm not 100% sure. But the materials used, they feel very premium. So I think they even designed their own screws in-house. So again, as you can see, you have this like 3 tri pattern, if I can use the term, I'm not 100% sure how that's called, screwdriver. But yes, this is an interesting watch, guys. So that was it, yeah, quick unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. Be sure to click a like and subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss the video for this, the full video for the full review, which is coming onto the channel very, very soon in the next few weeks. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.